Hummingbird. Is he still up there? No, he's gone already. Lots of hummingbirds. Yeah, we're under a flood warning around here. We'll be alright though. Hey, Moose, don't bite her tail. Moose is trying to bite Raven's tail. Hey, Cool Games, thanks for joining us. 155, we are 655. Hey. No, be nice. You guys gotta be nice. I get so wound up sometimes. Where's Moose going? He's going out in the rain. Raven's more interested in the pizza that's inside. What do you think, Moose? That big hole that you dug is a puddle now. He's like, wait a second. I just dug this hole. Now it's a bunch of water. Uh-oh. Zoomies. Yeah. It's better to separate them if things look like they're gonna escalate. So, if they're playing too rough, then that'd be the end of it. Playtime's over if they want to fight instead of play. Moose is doing a circle. Bathroom break for Moose. What do you think, Raven? What do you think, huh? They definitely keep themselves occupied a lot of times, but it's twice as much trouble when they're being bad, which isn't all that often, but... Hey, Kulai Edits. Moose is doing way better now. Thanks for coming back. Oh, aren't you doing better, Moose? They're playing rough again. He's got pretty much all his energy back. What do you think, puppies? Doing some zoomies. Up on the box, down off the box. What do you think, Moose? What's she doing? What's she doing? Hey, no growling. No growling. What's she doing? Raven's getting a drink. Those are some good zoomies, right, Moose? Oh, he's going back in for more. Hold on, Raven. We're